what I love about Casey is his sweetness. He's a very sweet man, very trusting, super loving, funny, outgoing, would do anything for anybody, very honest, tell you what he thinks. I think we're a good balance. I'm a little more serious, like things a certain way, and he's a little more, oh, let's just see how it goes, laid back. I think we balance each other very well. Casey, I just want you to know that I love you so much, and I can't wait to see what the rest of the years will bring us.
Charity is just so full of heart. I mean, her heart is as deep as an ocean. I mean, she's just endless as far as her kindness. And I just see that every day in her. So I love that about her. I love her adventurous spirit. I love her integrity. I love her intelligence. I mean, to me, it's just a no-brainer. Charity. In this great cosmic journey, for better or worse, for richer or poorer, in sickness and in health, I take you, Charity, to be my wife, to whom I vow to love deeply, to trust implicitly, to honor and respect, and to dedicate myself to as long as we both shall share this earth together.
Casey, I look at you and see the rest of my life in front of my eyes. Today I promise that our marriage will always be one of honesty and trust. I will respect you, encourage you. I will laugh with you and be your friend. I will love you unconditionally and without hesitation. I will take you as you are, loving you who you are now and who are you to become. To stand by your side in good times and bad, I will choose you every day.